Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Surveyor Luxury 271 RLS travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, then back to the outside of this brand new RV. All right, guys, we're now up inside this new Surveyor Luxury 271 RLS travel trailer. And as you've seen on the floor plan there on the screen a second ago, this is a rear living room, one bedroom travel trailer. And there's two reclining chairs in the back, little end tables on both sides, electric outlets on both sides there. And you got a little storage built into the section. Overhead cabinets up above do flip up, have the nicer Euro hinge look to them, so it's a nice clean cabinet look. Interior height, 82.5 inches tall in the center of the ceiling here. It's got a huge barrel roll roof, so it does have one of the tallest interior ceiling heights in a traditional trailer. Deep tint safety glass windows throughout the coach, and these all open. All of them except for the front windshield that you'll see. On the left here, we have the TV area. There's a sound bar up above. And you got some storage down below, electric outlet, electric box down below also. But one thing that's kind of nice on this little TV section, it does have a little flip up thing here. And then you got some storage back in behind your TV area. And the soundbar section is also Bluetooth. And then down below the TV is some shelf area. Now, on the windows and stuff, you do have the nicer MCD roller shades. Kind of black everything out. Slide out includes the refrigerator and a nice big U-shaped dinette. Now, the dinette does have two pull-out drawers underneath. Does make into another large bed if you need to have guests stay over. Little overhead cabinets up above do have a little backlighting in there. There's a little switch to flip them off on the right side of the cabinet up there. In-floor ducted heat. The Surveyor uses a plywood floor instead of an OSB board floor. Some nice features here. It'll tell you about like the PVC roof, 15-year warranty, full aluminum frame construction, Congolium floor there, information about that. 60 by 80 queen bed. Most RVs are a short queen, so you do get a real 60 by 80 queen bed with the Surveyor product. Looking toward the front section there, you got a little kitchen area there. Has the Greystone fireplace with the glass front and the light built in there. Little flip-up glass lid to cover it also. There's also a little flip-up countertop there on the left to give you a little extra counter space if you're doing dishes and things. You have three good-sized drawers down below. Little pull-out sprayer faucet there, little hinge faucet. Another opening window that looks out over the campsite there. And some overhead cabinetry. The refrigerator in this unit is gas electric, so it works off of propane and electric when you're at the actual campsite there. Propane leak detector down below. Going into the bathroom area here, on the right-hand side, you have a foot flush toilet there, and your shower area. Now, this one was also ordered with the turbo exhaust fan here, which is a bigger fan in the bathroom area. And over on the left side is your bathroom sink area with some counter space and some storage space. Another window in the bathroom there, and your medicine cabinet area. Now, spinning around onto this wall over here is some of your controls. This one was ordered with the Arctic package. This customer is actually from New York, so it's headed into the New York area. They wanted the winter package, so it's got the 12-volt heat pads on the 3 holding tanks. Then you also have your water pump, water heater, and your modern panel and everything right there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs as they come in and out. Trying to update as many of the new mid-year model changes as possible. Here at the foot of the bed, you do have plenty of room to kind of maneuver around. You have another entry door, as you've seen there, going out the coach. And there's TV hookups over there. There is a hanging closet on both sides of the bed, and back in behind that section is some shelf area to store things. A little cup holder back there. There's also that little section there that raises up, and there's like a little hidden compartment underneath of there. So you can store some things underneath of that section and kind of hide them out of the way. I'm going to stand back here and let you get a better view of the bedroom area here. But closet and everything on both sides, overhead cabinet on both sides. You have the window through the front section there. Plenty of room to get around the bed. There's also a roof vent in here. You have AC and heat both in here. And there is a mounting spot for a TV over there. So you can mount a flat screen on that side if you want, or you can stick one over on the other side. And kind of looking back in behind here a little bit, so you kind of get an idea what that area looks like. And the bed does raise up, so you can store stuff under there. You can kind of see here it has the shock assist on it, separate storage on both sides, and there's an electric outlet and USB on both sides of the bed also. The Surveyor camper, again, all aluminum frame, sidewalls, roof, and floor, and it does have the new Azdel composite wall material. We'll go over that when we get outside. RV. Alright guys, we're now back outside of this new Surveyor Luxury 271RLS trailer. And we're going to take a few minutes, walk around the outside here for you. On the front section, you do have a 3/4 fiberglass cap that comes down, has the little windshield built into it, and then lower diamond plate across the front. Power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, your typical safety chains, 2 and 5/16 hitch ball, room for 1 or 2 batteries. Does have the little pet-friendly leash hook there on the front, so you could, leash up your animals if you need to. There is a portable solar panel hookup here on the side, so you can actually buy those little Furrion or Zamp or Go Power panels, plug them right into the side of the RV if you're a boondock camper. They have the little pet-friendly bowl things here. Has a drop frame in the front section of it, so it actually gives you a taller storage compartment here than a normal RV. And this one was ordered with the traditional scissor jacks on the front and back, but you could also opt for power jacks if you wanted to. Traditional RV step across the front section here, and you will get the More Ride drop-down step on the back or main entry door, depending on how the unit's laid out. Power awning has the adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. They put the LED light strip out here on the tube, so it puts more light further away from the coach, and you also have a porch light over there. A lot of them don't have a porch light, and they put the awning under the edging of the gutter rail up there. So here you have both, best of both worlds there. Water heater is a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. Does have a bypass on the back of it, so make sure you undo the bypass when you first get the coach and you are able to use it. This one was also, again, ordered with the Equiflex suspension axle upgrade there in the center. It's kind of like shock absorber for an RV. So that's a nice feature to consider if you're ordering one. Outside TV hookups also there. And 2 outdoor speakers along with your stove exhaust up top there. Spare tire is mounted underneath the bottom. You can see it down there. And you have a little step light there for nighttime also. Now this one was ordered with the optional ladder that you chose, so that is also on the back that you're seeing there, along with the optional rack that you chose on the back of the coach. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper, great place to store your dump hose there. The unit is also pre-wired for the observation camera or backup camera. I would definitely recommend the observation camera. That really helps driving down the road to be able to see behind you. Detachable power cord that comes with it. Again, bottom of the unit is enclosed and had the Arctic package on it that you chose. Those two black panels there on the side of the slide are the access panels for maintenance to the refrigerator. And then you have your cable, satellite, black tank flush, outside utility shower, all located right there. And down below is your dump area with your gray and black handles, along with your low point water drains. And just up here to the front is a fresh water tank drain, as the fresh water tank is located right there in that drop down frame section. Unit was also ordered with the optional 15,000 BTU air conditioner upgrade that you wanted instead of the standard 13.5. Fresh water tank fill located right here to fill up your fresh water tank. And your information stickers are going to be right here, basically telling you your VIN number. Production date of the coach was 10/25 of 19. Model number. Axles, two 3,500-pound axles. Plus you're going to have hitch weight, so you have a total gross weight of 7,556 pounds. It's the most they want you to load it to before you risk damaging it. ST 225/75R 15D range tires, 65 PSI recommendation there. And down below is your other sticker that kind of tells you your dry weight, 5,826 pounds, the way the camper came in. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, if you are interested in keeping up with more of these new RV videos as they come in and out. Toll-free number to the store, 888-417-8299.